Problem.
Alright, this is the plumbing from the very front of the tub of the Potter Summitt. So, Eco Pack, and I'm going to go counterclockwise. Here's the filter housing, going down to the next panels. Looking towards the front of the tub. Alright, going to the next door panel.
There's a second Venturi.
So my husband's taking off panels. I'll get to it here in a bit, but he did find a second Venturi. Going over here. Alright, going to the next panel. There's the filter housing across the way. We're straightly across. Next panel. Here. There's another one. Looks like an open possibility trying to get it. Line, maybe airline right here. Not sure.
Right here.
Alright. And right there is a very large Venturi compared to the other one. It is right here. Oh, it is the same size. It's right here.
It's just they have opposing corner Venturis that are open air, which is what they suspected. So we need to buy 2 ball valves and start troughtening down.
So this tub does have 2 open Venturis on it, like Barry was thinking. And I'm not sure on this other side what this open line right here is. There's no line connected to it. There.
It's capped.
It is.
It's a cap. It's for extra jets. See the red glue?
Mm-hmm.
It's capped.
Okay.
If that wasn't capped, the cabinet would be full of water.
Okay. I'm just doing my due diligence. Alright, back around to the front of the tub again. I'll see if I can show that Venturi again. And there it is right there. This is left of the control panel on the Summitt, and the other is diagonal at the other side of the tub. So here's the eco panel, and there is the other one. That is it. Here you go. Thank you.